Cheers, Boracay.
Ever!
Together!
Together! Not ever! Together!
Ay, hello, Randang Banes. Ay, oh, hindi girl na pala. Hindi girl na pala na.
Fine.
Guys, excited! Yes!
Is that waterproof?
Yes.
Okay. Is that the same
It's
one you
safe.
brought sa Batangas last week?
No, that's different. That's ugly. It died there.
Yun nga eh. I was like, I was worried na baka mamatay na naman.
No, this is nice. Action cam talaga siya now. Yes!
Naka 0.5.
Hello! We're going to the airport. Hello!
I can work at his business.
Hi! Welcome!
Gusto ko yung, ako na pala yung need.
Yeah!
Na beach attire na pala tayo.
Yes! Hindi to beach attire, girl. Pamba.
He woke up and he wore a shirt and I'm just
I
like,
know!
Your ABC.
Guys,
ABC.
hi!
Di tayo.
Tawon. Hello!
You wanna sit next to me?
I want to read my book in peace.
Kimbali. So, diin na sila para...
Goodness.
Kimbali. Kasya pa, dalawa na. Sa kaliwa na, dalawa, kasya pa. Tapos may certain weight na.
Oh, trinoma.
Kasya pa na.
She's like 7.
Ba't ang ganda?
Oh, girl, ang tagal ng regla niya, by the way.
Talaga? Sino na parang 1 week?
Hi, Paul.
More than 10 days.
Hi, Paul.
Her,
Hi, Paul daw.
her,
Hello.
her baby is still
Hello. I'm sitting down. I'm smart.
Nangyari. Ng Boracay. Ng Boracay. Hi. Good, nice hugging. Oh, okay. Hello. Ready. Hi, Lahari. Hi, Lahari.
Hi. Hello.
Hello. Hello. So nice here. And with me, happy.
I'm the princess. She's carrying everything.
I'm princess. Junior. Ayun nga, ang lapit eh. Okay to. Thank you, Pilo. This is so nice. Made some friends. Woohoo! Made some friends. You're so friendly today.
You are.
So cool. They have a lounge. You can sit. This before?
Ah,
Oh.
well, nakalabas pa naman yun.
Hello.
May pa siya gawin. Sabi ko, okay.
Hindi kasi, katabi ko siya. Tapos nag-hi siya.
Siya yun.
Nag-hi kasi siya eh. So, I talked to him.
Akala ko yun.
Hindi.
Sabi ko,
You know me. I will not
Bait
start
naman eh.
something.
Kaya ako nagulat. Sabi ko, bait naman eh. Sino siya?
I got Englished out. Englished out?
Makita yun.
English out.
This is so nice. You can just sit and wait.
Akala ko narinig mo yung sinabi ni Pia, kaya nakidaldal ka. Sabi ko, eh,
Here ng together. Finally here ng together.
In Boracay! So cool! Wow.
saan yung Besser?
Hello!
Oh. Sorry, I thought we knew the general direction. Oh no, I don't know where Messerap is. Hold on.
But they don't have the
Snake.
harang. They don't have the harangs anymore. Hehehe.
Ma'am,
Woohoo!
magparaw sila.
Nagpaano. Mas masaya eh, no? Ayos, hand and soup. Wait, you can just sit here? Without...
Parang susip ko lang.
Ah, talaga? This is so nice! That's so cool. Nagpaala sila na rin. Really nga eh. Ah, we? Well, ako sanay na ako dito. Dito ko binili to! Yung Crocs na to! Diyan, may Crocs dyan! Salamat, attorney. Water shoes? Aqua shoes. Ay, yung pang ano, pang beach talaga. Beach shoes talaga. Yeah, we ate here. Ng 9 p.m.
That sounds so good though.
Diba?
Right?
Paggabi, sulang tao dyan.
Oh my god. I love that.
Nagpunta dito para mag KFC din. Bayan. Ayos.
Sir, welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
Hey, mag-shout out naman dyan. Bukas sir ha, maganda sa zipline yan. Taka para sa...
Zipline?
Yes, ito.
May zipline? Ah, wow.
Tsaka parcel.
Saan nga area yan?
Sa nabao ito.
Ah, doon na. Oh.
Bigyan kita ng card.
Hindi na, okay na.
Baka magplano.
Ayaw din eh. Thank you. Shout out.
I mean, I would na if I had the money.
Ow.
Okay.
Yes. And do all the things. So, bumili ng glasses eh. Parang yung tig 150 lang.
Disposable.
Oo. Magamit. Ay, masakit sa mata kasi pag mainit. Like bukas. Pero at least ito, hindi ganun kainit, hindi ganun umuulan. It's so nice! It's so nice. Yay!
Okay, table.
Oh, sarap. Ah, sarap. Tayo sa...
Sa banga.
Sa banga.
Abby, they have more meat for warm.
Yes.
The extra.
Yes. You get for you. Muna.
Gusto mo ito tayo doon?
You
Or
guys.
ito sa atin? I mean, sa atin doon.
Nice. We are ready to swim. And now the cat. Oh my god, there's no sun anymore. It's already. The sun is already setting. Ngayon pa lang kami lalabas. Wow. Hello.
It feels like greenhouse. I'm gonna take that.
Garlet.
Greenhouse.
There! Woohoo! Oh. They keeping it? Are they keeping it? Po? Pwede. Sige. Oh, first. Okay na yan? So we have somewhere.
Gusto naman nakahabol sa amin.
No, tumakbo rin ako eh. Hi! Maganda to.
That is crazy.
Which one?
It's on your wrist.
Yes. This is what I used nung nag-fish ako. I put it on my wrist.
Wow, wow.
You look so cute. Hi.
Hi.
Take a picture. Picture! Hi! Wait lang. Hi! It automatically did kasi meron kang sign.
Ganun ka.
This one.
Spider-Man yun.
Oh.
Did it not show?
No.
So full.
That's so cool. I'm Spider-Man. Okay.
I'm gonna go now.
What do you need?
Feels like we're done with picture taking.
Oh my God, so pretty, Dobby.
Oh, it's like low K.
Such a black.
You know, super black.
Like low hobo.
What do you mean?
Yeah, why
Oh,
you
sorry.
say low key?
Sorry. It's hobo. I sorry.
Kanina pa siya eh.
Kasi kanina pa siya. Kanina pa niya gusto tumakbo. Let's go. Wala nang araw, you guys.
I don't care about you. I'm not waiting.
That's so cute.
Massage po.
Boracay 2026. Oh my God, it's so green.
It's so lumot.
It's lumot. That's why it's green. Let's go. Oh my God. Let's go, Abby. Go, Abby.
Oh, yung slipper pa rin. Kasi ano naman siya sa'yo, di ba?
Oh my God. It's not. Don't look. Don't look. Just keep. Look. Where's Pia? Where's Pia? Where's Pia? I'm just gonna look. Oh my
Pia!
God, let's go faster. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God, ew. Oh my God, ew. Oh my God, ew. Ew, 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 ew. Oh my God, it's more darker in here. Ew. Oh my
You
God,
just need to pass
ew.
those thingies.
Pia.
Oh my God, Pia! Where are you?
They look like they're a truck with the drums and everything. Oh no, it's so stressful.
Sobrang dumi ngayon.
Ay, yeah, lamig.
So freaking cold.
It's so cold. Kaya dapat hapon.
To me.
Abby. It's so cold.
Siya na yung gumante for me.
Ah, ganda. Oh my gosh. Ang lamig. Bro. Ang ginaw. Man.
Yung girlfriend mo, di ba?
Aray ko. Ang ginaw. Ang ginaw. Oh my gosh, Pia. How? Oh my God.
Lamig na ako.
Ang ginaw.
Lumabog
tayo.
Ayoko, lalamig.
Game. 1, 2. We're so far. Ay, naku na. Kami nandito lang kami. Tamang tayo lang. Pero masarap nga lumangoy. Wala na siya. Pagka lumabog ka na. Pero... Sige lang. Dahil namin parang pa ako eh. Pero grabe ang ginawa. Ginagulat ako pag lusong natin. Kuya sa mga talaga sa prep. Mali talaga tong ginawa natin. Pero masaya. Masaya to pagkatanghali. I guess, no? Hindi masyadong mainit. Hindi masyadong ganito kalamig. Mga ganito rin sa Cebu, Bantayan ay. Bantayan. Punta kami doon, Oslob. Ay, Oslob. Ano to? Yung isa? Sardine? Love. Ano to? Something. Sa kabila. Kasi Oslob, di ba, dito? Yung kabilang side na dagat. Weird. Are you not here? Buddy! Why?
Photographer, please. Just the sunset, no?
Wala! Di
Very tired.
Ito lang kami ni Paul. Nilalamig. Alayo. Grabe. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na di talaga ako pwede lumangoy sa dagat. Di pala ako sanay lumangoy. Ay, hindi ako sanay yung sumagip. Ng ibang tao. Pag ako lang, kaya.
Abby, are you guys staying there?
Why?
Can you hold me the glasses?
Ano ba lang yan?
Can we just clip it onto the wrist thing?
Yes. Look, go.
Because I want to float.
Yeah. Go.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Woo. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Okay, bye. Float away.
Bye!
Chong. Nalunod eh. Bugs. Uy, si Pia! Grabe, galing niya lumangoy.
Yeah. What the fuck?
Alayo! Ay! I cannot do that. That's so far. Abby! Careful! Baka mag-cramps ka ulit! Nag-cramps kasi siya. Nag-cramps siya dun sa LU. Oo, talon siya ng talon kasi malaki yung waves. Ang ganda. But these are nice. Kasi crystal talaga yung tubig, no?
Kasi crystal clear doon. After ng tao.
Oh. Yeah. Sana hindi madumi dun.
Doon
Like
pinakamalinis. I mean, yung ano.
Lumot.
Lumot talaga, lumot season.
Lumot season. Pero hindi nawawala ng trabaho dito, no? Everyday may tao dito.
Except for ano, nung nawalan siya.
Oh, yung sinara, di ba?
Sinara.
Pero what I meant is, lalo na ngayon, grabe tourism dito.
Yeah.
Wild.
Yeah. Kapag like yung Batayan,
Parang okay lang. Oh, it's nice. Bantayan. Cebu.
mas
Ang ganda.
yan. Mas malalaki yung
Ganda.
mas mahal pumunta ng Cebu than except from the flights, yung gastos mo mismo doon.
You guys are so far. Habi, you're near the thingy na. Come back.
May buwi!
Yeah, the boy.
Ganda.
My boy voice came out.
Yun yung Roro. Yun yung sinasabi nilang club na nasa boat.
No, they.
Yep.
Dati, yung spider, yung dun sa dulo, yung talaga, yung pinakadulo, pero sarado na ngayon.
Oh.
Kasi pinasara ng IG, kasi delikado. Abot ako
Lasing tas naliligo.
Saka nasa ano sila,
Bato ba?
yung mismong cliff, tinayuan nila.
What the heck?
What a trip.
Pwede natin punta ng bukas.
Layo lang kasi.
Yung dulo na yan.
Oh, I mean, lalakarin mo nga siya.
Yeah. Pero masaya siya. Kung papunta ka ng
Area 1.
Station 1, katabi na rin
Station
siya
one.
halos. Right after.
Oh, you're fucking the beer.
Woo! Ganda. So cool.
ganda. So cool. Lola. Yay! Woo! Good morning, you guys. Yay!
I do. What happens if I see somebody and I don't recognize them?
That's
or don't
okay.
talk?
That would be better for me.
That would be better for
Oh my
me.
God.
I really hate it when I have to meet people.
Yeah.
Just on the side like that.
Nice. Look at that.
Meet them with me. Be interested.
Ay, pupunta na.
Freaking hot.
It is hot. Oh, look at that. It's so nice. Woohoo! Nakalimutan ko dalhin yung wrist thingy eh. Dapat sa wrist din siya ilagay. Pero okay lang. At least to ngayon malayo. Look at that.
But that was more fun.
Oh!
Oh my God, there's pretty.
Fish na.
Okay naman.
Oo. Hindi yung kahapon na, oh, malamig! It's cold again! Paul! Stay there! Look at that!
Hapon na. Pahapon na.
Ooh. Maginaw pa rin. That's cool. Oh my God! Para lang ako lumulusong sa baha. Ganito sa Bulacan. Bahaan days. Hindi na. Last na baha na na-experience namin 2018.
Bakit? Kasi lumipat na tayo.
Iba no. It's getting cold.
My stomach is so
Aray ko. Alam mo, dapat... Come here. Just go down. Hindi ako mandar. Hindi ako umusad. Lumublob lang ako. Hello.
I was mad. We didn't beg him for forgiveness. He said that. Yeah. Affirmation naman this position will be back.
Okay, we will mute that.
Ay, okay. Oh, I'm so
Okay lang, okay lang, okay
I
lang.
was asking how
Okay.
it was.
Hey!
Hi. It's better na ika. It's
better
cold
here.
with the hot sun and less lumot.
Yeah.
This is station
It's
1.
nice.
Oh, parang yun na yung station 1 eh. I think that's like in between
Oh.
2 and 1.
Bakit siya nag...
Get my joke. And so nga mag-screaming, Paul, stay there! Bakit?
Sabi ko,
It's cold!
Paul, stay there! It's still cold!
Pero masarap kasi may sauce.
Kaya masarap na.
Oo.
Ah, sarap. Ah. Dapat...
Hindi, ayan na siya. He's walking na. Oh!
Where? Oh, there.
Nanginginig na. Hindi, joke.
Ito na.
Hello!
He's shaking. Go get your jowa. Teka, yung waves are pulling me back. I know,
Oo nga.
Sundo him.
Ah, sarap. Hello. It's so nice na it's cold. Ako.
si Paul.
Si Paul. Paul!
Ito, kay Eddie. Niyakap si Paul kahapon eh.
Sabi niya, thank you. Thank you siya eh. Oh, it's that one.
Which one?
Kasi yung hotel namin doon pa. So nadadaanan namin yun. It's the road no. Tapos that one. Ito na pala yun. Oh, wild. Haven't been here sa area na to kasi.
Babe, dapat nag-reapply ka ng sunset.
Oo nga, di ko nag-apply.
So wala na.
Hindi pa siya na. Well, it hasn't been
100.
it hasn't been 2 hours and I haven't been inside the water, so it's still fine.
Okay, happy.
Right? It's still fine.
I just nang telling you. Good luck.
Mas mataas sa UV in the water, kaya kayo, that's why you
Look at me.
look at him!
Look at here.
Babad! Lubog.
Ginaw, boss.
Lubog na siya. Lubog ulit, lubog
Grabe,
ulit.
nanginginig talaga siya.
Dapat hanggang leeg.
Oo.
Malamig sa chan, no?
Lubog
Pag...
ulit, lubog ulit. Lubog ulit,
Ab
lubog ulit.
exercise.
So cute.
I'm getting a tan in the water.
Ah,
Look. I'm so dark, but it's nice with the orange.
they can still see you.
I love that we're both orange today.
Oh,
I know. We're like little
We're all
couples.
blacks. We're the black ones. We're the blacks.
Tikim ko kay LJ
Parang
na
racist.
The black ones.
Sarap.
Saya.
Ito my ear.
Lamig.
Di ba? Ano nangyari?
Siguro
Kanina.
simulat later dito lang tayo mag-
Paglakad namin. Tapos nung palalim na, sabi ko, oh my God, it's too cold. Lumingon ako sa'yo, sabi ko, Paul, stay there! Hindi ko nga.
And he did that this
Wow.
Joy, here. Did you just splash?
No.
Lalayo ko sa'yo. Di mo ko mariri. Hindi ka marunong lumang.
Oh my gosh.
Hindi pa talaga?
Ah, talaga?
Sama ng mukha eh.
So mad, it's my kulit.
Sabi niya.
Oh, understand what you're saying. All I heard was happy.
That is basically what I was saying. I was just,
My fucking nose.
Kailangan daw niya ng above the
okay na po, doon sa above the water. I just want to take a picture with you.
Oh.
Picture. Wait, can we see the screensies? Why? Her boob? Was it a nip slip? Oh.
Oh my God.
You know what? Akala ko yung tattoo mo was your nip kanina.
What?
I keep
Wow, that was
looking.
very pink. She's American.
Di pa tapos eh.
Nangayos ba yun na? Nangayos ba yun na? Can you see my makeup? Is my makeup still there? I can't see it in the ano.
Oh my God. Talo ka. Ano?
Puno na. Yung na yellow.
Oh, hilaman mo. Doon ka.
Oh, picture. Picture in the water.
Can you take it with the trees behind?
Game.
Oh my God, wait. I can't see. Oh my God.
The way
You can't what? Pee?
Oh, see there.
Okay, 1, 2. It's so cool. Taking a photo. In the water.
Yeah! God made two of us.
The face of disappointment.
Like, you needed to be here.
The face of love.
Save me.
The face of, oh girl, she's not gonna save you. She's gonna be with me. What do you mean?
This year or next year ka?
Huh?
Sports
Abby, look.
It went to my eye. What do you mean look?
Yeah.
What can I look when it's in my eye? When it's in my eye?
Here.
When it's in my eye?
Ano yun?
In what? In Huawei?
Ha?
Yung watch?
Oh,
1.5 lang?
518, ganun. Less than 2,000.
What? But the
Time
GPS,
to buy.
the GPS isn't as great. Yun yung unang kinonsider ko eh, kasi I wanted the cheap one lang, kasi I wanted step counts lang, I wanted it to take calls, and then I wanted it to help me with maps.
Oh, hindi.
Yung dun sa maps siya maps siya nag-call.
Tsaka notif.
Notif lang.
I didn't want to hold my phone kasi when I'm abroad and I'm trying to go to a place, so like at least watch yung nag-navigate.
Ako sa earphones ako.
Nagbabasa siya mag-isa? Earphones?
Like,
Pag nag-navigate ako,
Wow.
That makes sense.
that's how I usually,
Mukha siyang,
Apple Watch.
Yeah. Sheldon makes it.
Gusto ko i-try yung Google Maps feature na camera yung gamit niya tapos may araw na lalabas kung saan ka pupunta.
Tao sa bate.
Pag nasa London ka na, saan ka na.
Nakaganyan din naman eh.
London or New York.
All the more.
Tapos, pag ka sa mag-isa, yung mga sketchy na lugar pinupunta ko. Yes, sucks is the way. Para I can hear pa rin yung yung paligid. Ganun yun eh. Yung earphones ko yung maliit. Hindi ko talaga pinili ko.
Tama.
Isang tenga lang.
Mga tropa ko. No. I'm good. So cute. I don't know why you're wearing jeans though. Picture 2, 1. One more, 1, 2. Nabunggong bali. Can I have no? Grabe. Matcha yan. Latte. Matcha latte. Come on, Javi. Look at her face. It's so much. Oh my god, it's so green there. Like literally green.
That's exactly why my face is
gosh.
like this. That's what you're calling matcha.
Matcha. Latte. Matcha. Ew. Ang grossness. Ang grossness. Hey. Sarili siyang eh. Hello, nang schmitze. You can leave it here. You don't want? Okay. Extend it.
I don't know if I'm doing this right.
Yeah, doing it right. It's so green, that's why.
Ew, it's on me.
Oh,
It's
the
on me.
greenies.
Ew.
happy.
Ew, look at it. Ew. Ew. Wait! Move farther! So fucking gross. Oh my god. Ayaw mo ba?
Ay, naka na. I'm so cute.
Having my nip nip.
Oh my god.
My slip nip.
Look at that greenies. It's the greenies, Abby.
So gross.
Yeah.
That's so fun.
Yeah. Thank you. Wow. Naka-portrait mode siya. Hassle. Oh, naka... I have friends. Where's the... What? Oh, shoot. Where are you guys? Where's the other one? Oh, there. You have a moth pet. I have two fishies on me. Don't let me. Don't leave me. Where are your friends? You Bye, people! Woo! So dizzy! I'm so dizzy. So looking at the fishes. Oh, that's enough. Hey, let's go, Kuya. So cool. Look at that. Abutan natin yun. Look at my hobby.
Look at my house.
Cute. A night in Burak. Yes, that's my hobby.
piece yarn. Oh, fuck.
Ay, video pala. It's fixing my hair. Yay!
I have a video. I have a picture. Ako na pala to. Okay. Teka. Ayan. Wala si Paul. Wait, wala si Paul.
There.
Ah, there. Yung damit ni Paul eh. Hindi kita si Paul eh.
Ulo lang siya.
Ulo lang. Ito. Ah.
Wait, one more. Can I go in front? Oh, wait. Pia. Your clothes.
Okay.
Kita yung
Okay, just look at the top of the tree. Oh my god, ang ganda po.
Ganda ka, girl.
I'm falling down. Carmen, just hold it.
Okay, wait,
That is so cute.
Chin out.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
What is chin out? What's that?
It doesn't feel natural, but it's okay.
Okay, I think we got it.
I think we got it. Pagod yan, girl.
I was falling down.
Nakakatawa.
It's really giving to kids.
Oh, because you used the one I gave.
No.
I was like, that's gonna look so chunky, but it looks real.
Yeah,
That's real.
Yeah, I did this one.
Thanks, guys. Yeah, that's so cute. See, I need direction.
Ngiti din tayo dun. Ngiti din tayo sa kanya. Yeah. Ika, Ika. No, look at me. Oh.
No, girl, wrong. By lumot.
By lumot, by lumot.
By lumot. I'm not gonna miss
Mabato dito. Pang ano dito, pang snorkel. Snorkeling.
Actually, pag pupunta tayo sa gitna,
Ganun din.
Kaya marami rin na dive. Maganda.
Siguro next time.
Oo, snorkeling tayo.
Sino yung madidiscuss?
Kung tayo yung tumama.
Oo.
Kung siya yung tumama sa atin. Matigas yun.
Ah, talaga? Mas may pakpak mo dito. Pero pag babara na ako.
Ganda lang.
Sige.
May ano naman doon. Gusto lang.
Ano ba?
Ito yung malaki.
70 packs.
Tama. Kaya yung sabi ko matagal yung sa inyo.
Oo. Gusto ko parang 30, 40 minutes kami.
Yun nila yung barely 5 minutes.
Oo.
Kasi nasa airport tayo. Sa ano na, sa likod na ng
Airport, oo. Oo, ito.
wala silang
Talon sa waves.
Bye, Cora.
Ay, wala.
Eh!
But for you, if it's like each of us.
Well, pinalipas na tayo. Pasok ka na. Hello!
That's our bus. And the cute,
Bong, it's
the cute color.
May cute pa palang bus.
Yes, it's the cute
Bus na yun.
one.
Bus 9, yeah, let's go. Bus number 9, bus.
Bus number 9 din po?
Bus number 9, bus number 9. Bus number 9. What? Quacks. So far, and little. Bus number 9, bus number 9. Bye, Katiklan. Back soon. That's for sure. Oh, there's a plane.
That's their names. One is Kira, the other one is Sarah, and then the last one is Everywhere. Why? Because Kira quack, Sarah quack, everywhere quack quack.
Oh my gosh. Habis ng funnies.
Kira quack, Sarah quack, everywhere quack quack.
Everywhere quack quack. Hey. You bye. For sure. Okay. Maybe. Ano yan?
Hindi. Ay?
Ano yan?
Kasi magkasalanan si Ika.
Oh.
Sabi ko, this is organic meat.
Oh. Hindi, tsaka.
Tapos
Katabi niya.
pinabin yung bag.
Yeah.
Pangit.
Swipe up.
Ka-bonding.
Hanggang pa uwi. We're still hoping for that organic
Of
encounter.
course.
Diba na?
Of course.
Kira quack, Sarah quack, everywhere quack quack.
What?